Slither mix slithers. It's Easton. We're having a Nerf for you guys. I got the Raven style points. Style points. You gotta have that barrel extension, that 16 Mountain straight mag. It's all about them style points. We're gonna be going. I'm gonna try. Colin, you're gonna be the cameraman. So you're gonna see us. We're gonna bring them black. Right now, I think Zach. Hey. Picture you walking around the court. Style points. You're gonna be like.
Bop.
Style points.
Nice. Okay, so I think Zach is going to the bathroom or getting a drink. I forgot. Oh, he's grabbing a new gun?
What is this? Tell me what this is.
It's a Lego monster.
What the heck? Okay.
See, look, the Raven looks so boring, but now it's technical points.
Ow!
And the color
Just hit me in the face with whatever that is.
No pictures, Colin.
Okay.
It's a Lego from
Right, guys, while we're waiting, guess the song.
Jingle Bells.
Wasn't asking you.
I don't like to get it.
I didn't need to, Luke.
Almost!
I got my $5.
Give me, please. Please.
I just gotta wait for everybody else to come.
Who is it?
All right.
Oh, we didn't tell you, we're making a YouTube video.
Great. All right. You guys get the same area. We'll get the same area.
Where's Alex?
Are you still filming?
It's kind of dark.
Nope. Yeah, we're making a YouTube video.
Hey, Becca's trying to get in the video.
I'm not. Becca, get out.
All right. Ready?
All right.
One.
No, I count down, buddy.
Shooter.
No one said.
Everybody's gonna be shooting you.
No one says my name.
No. Go.
No, okay.
All right, guys, let's go. Wait.
Okay.
Starting in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, let's go. Go. Push.
Yep, they're right there. Did you get hit? No.
No, jam.
Dang it, I accidentally
No one
pressed the
says my
button.
name.
Okay.
No, I pressed the switch button.
It swings around the camera so you saw my face.
He's shooting through the crack.
Ready? That's what she said. Gotcha. Gunshot.
No.
Gunshots count.
Gunshots do not.
Two. Three. No, four. It's already done. Oh. Get back here.
Ooh, Easton's been hit. Oh, wait, what?
If you get hit, can you tell me?
What do we do?
I shot your gun.
I shot your gun. Apparently, gunshots don't count.
Apparently. No, I got revived.
FBI!
Oh.
Alright, go.
I can't even see what.
Don't get. Easton, I need your help pushing. Ready? I got 1 yard left. Hit him out! Hit Easton!
Ooh, Luke is down.
No, you can crawl, right? Okay.
Can I still shoot him while I'm down?
No.
No, you cannot.
So does that mean you guys?
Your guys' team win?
I'm not even revived. No, it doesn't. It's 5.
Oh, okay.
Guys, I'm just.
Easton, just kill him or revive him.
I'm gonna hit you with the butt of the gun.
No, this is actually a really good angle, so I'm gonna stay here.
I'm still dead. I'm not dead.
Is that a
I
headshot?
can still do what?
Hey, that hurt.
Colin. Can I still reload my gun even though I'm crawling?
If you can reach the bullet, I guess. Commentator, you lose one of your lives, so.
Oh, well, I shot you once. So.
Yeah, so now you have 1 life. Ooh, wait, I didn't even know what happened. Easton's team wins. Yay!
Up now.
Easton carried me.
Can we switch up teams?
Easton, you carried me.
Yay!